Something else to think about too, once we have that maintenance fee math, assigned, and you're thinking about, okay, well, I could use some of those funds to use, to put toward those same items in my home. Another thing is your homeowner's warranty. You can purchase an annual homeowner's warranty, and in some cases, you can make it part of their contract, the terms of your contract, to have the seller pay for an annual homeowner's warranty. And what that means is you will have some protection around the house. Could be like plumbing issues, HVAC issues, depending on the age of the system. And for a small deductible, you can have those. They'll come out and they'll take care of the issue for you. So let's say you've got a sink that's dripping or clogged, or you have an HVAC issue. I'm trying to think of just something else too. Maybe even an electrical issue, or outlets or something like that. The deductible could be $75, $90. It just depends on the different warranty that you get. Now, these homeowner warranties that you pay annually, they can run anywhere from, you see them for $500, $550, but I've seen some real whoppers. So you just definitely want to do some comparison shopping, or ask your realtor if they have any recommendations too, because you want a quality company with a good reputation and that has a small deductible, as you will be. It needs to be worth it for you. Have a small deductible every time you call them out. And then you might be surprised. Maybe you can make that leap into a single family home if that's what you had intended to do. And also, back to the homeowner's warranty, you might use it for 1 year. You might renew it for year 2, year 3, until you get more of a comfortable idea about the house and repairs, and maybe start getting more ideas about who you can contact when you have things that happen around the house. So never anything really to be concerned about or afraid of. Just try to look at it like, okay, well, what is it about this single family home am I shying away from? If it's just that, you have options out there. You guys have a great day.